In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file on your computer using a few simple steps. Whether you're organizing your files more efficiently or simply correcting a typo, renaming files is a handy skill that will make your digital life so much easier. Let's get started, shall we? First, we're going to begin right where you spend most of your time on the computer, the desktop. If you're already there, great. If not, go ahead and navigate to your desktop. You can minimize any open applications by clicking the Minimize button at the top right of your windows, or using the shortcut by pressing the Windows key and the letter D simultaneously. This will quickly take you to your desktop. Now, once you're on your desktop, it's time to choose the file you want to rename. Look through your documents, images, or whichever type of file needs renaming. Maybe it's a photo from your recent vacation or a report you've been working on. Once you've identified the file, hover your cursor over it. It's important to ensure that this is indeed the file you want to rename to avoid any mix-ups. The next step is crucial. You'll need to right-click on the file to bring up a context menu. This menu provides various options you can perform with the file. As you move through this menu, you'll notice there's an option called Rename, typically located at the top. It might have an icon next to it with a letter A. That's what you're looking for. It's designed to make the renaming process intuitive and straightforward. After selecting the Rename option, the file's name will become editable. You can now type in the new name you desire for your file. If it's a client presentation, you might want to include the client's name and the date. Or if it's a personal file, use a clear yet concise name that makes it easy to locate later on. As you type, remember not to change the file's extension unless required. The extension is the last 3 or 4 characters after the period, which tells your computer what type of file it is. Once you're satisfied with the new name, simply press the Enter key. And just like that, your file is renamed with ease. The change takes effect immediately, and you'll see the new name displayed on your desktop. And there you have it. You're all done. Renaming files is a quick and seamless process, but doing it right each time ensures your files are organized and easily accessible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Try renaming a few more files to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for everyday tech tasks.